Hello, welcome to day 4 of ESOL instruction for newcomers grade 3 through 5. I'm Mr. Ebeling. This presentation is based on the grade 3 through 5 newcomer ESOL day 4 packet. These paper packets can be picked up at mail distribution centers throughout Baltimore. The center closest to Highlandtown Elementary Middle School is John Brewer Elementary School. The school address is 701 Rapola Street, Baltimore, Maryland 21224. On this page of the packet, we see the materials that we will need and the objective. The materials that we will need for this lesson are pencil, paper, and crayons or markers. Our objective is to tell new facts about insects and draw and label a honeybee. On this page, we are told to record what we noticed and wonder about the photograph. When I look at this photo, I see a brick wall with 2 windows, a rain spout, and a lift. Painted on the wall are 7 bees and a honeycomb. I wonder who lives here. Why did they paint honeybees on their wall, and if there are bees nearby? Also on this page, we see 2 vocabulary words to focus on. Honeybees are flying insects that work together to spread pollen and make honey. A dragonfly is an insect that eats other insects and lives near water. On this next page, we have another great crossword to complete. The next page of the packet has a label diagram of a honeybee. Starting at the top and moving to the right, we see wings, a striped abdomen, a pollen basket on back leg, a stinger, 6 legs, an antenna, large dark eyes, and hairy and reddish-brown thorax. Now it's your turn. Label and color the parts of the honeybee on the following diagram. On the next page and on the top of the page that follows, there is a text to read. Amazing insects. A grasshopper can jump a distance of more than 20 times the length of its body. That means a 2-inch grasshopper can jump more than 3 feet. These insects take the prize for their athletic abilities. Some are expert runners, swimmers, or flyers. Others can jump very far or even do acrobatics. They can really move. The dragonfly is one of the fastest flying insects. Some dragonflies can reach 35 miles per hour. This insect is also acrobatic. It can fly backward and turn around quickly. It can also hover or hang in the air. The record for the longest insect flight goes to the monarch butterfly. Each fall, millions of monarch butterflies from North America spread their wings and fly more than 2,000 miles to forests in Mexico. The diving beetle is an expert swimmer. When it is above water, the bubble on its back fills with air. That lets the beetle breathe underwater. As it swims, the bubble refills with oxygen taken from the water. A favorite to win the long jump contest is the flea. This tiny insect, the size of a pinhead, can jump a distance of 150 times the length of its body. When a flea bends its legs, its rubbery knees spring back and off it goes. The Australian tiger beetle is one of the fastest running insects. This long-legged beetle can reach speeds of 5.5 miles per hour. The beetle's speed comes in handy when it is chasing other insects to eat. On this next part, we are directed to write 5 words I know and 5 words that are new from the reading. Here we need to practice our writing. Which 2 insects can jump long distances? Which insect holds the record for the longest flight? The 2 insects that can jump long distances are the grasshopper and the flea. The insect that holds the record for the longest flight is the monarch butterfly. Now we need to choose from these 3 words, because, so, but, that best completes the sentence. The diving beetle fills the bubble on its back with air, blah blah blah. The beetle can breathe underwater. I would choose the word so for this sentence. The diving beetle fills the bubble on its back with air, so the beetle can breathe underwater. On this page, we need to practice our writing some more. What do you know about insects? What else would you like to know about insects? Finally, draw a picture of your favorite insects. Use crayons, markers, or your pencil. Tomorrow we will learn more about spring. Tomorrow we will learn about spring weather. Also, here are optional activities and resources to use if you have internet access. This last page has more vocabulary to learn and practice about spring and spring weather. How is the weather today? Right now, in the afternoon, it is nice and sunny. This is the end of the presentation. Please complete as much of the packet as you can if you have one. More presentations will be posted as they are created. Remember to be safe, stay 6 feet away from people when you are away from your home, and wash hands as often as you can. Goodbye for now, Mr. Ebeling.